Good afternoon. It is November the 6th, 2017, and time to wrap up today and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have been overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we liked the E-mini today. We said we could get short if it failed at 25.85.50, and it didn't. We said even up here, even though it was a legitimate short, we just really weren't interested in it. We were interested in finding a place to get long and holding on as long as we could. And that's pretty much the market. So the tax package got a boost this morning from a New Jersey congressman that said he could back it. McCain finally came out and said what everybody had expected, that he was not going to back the tax package. It had to be bipartisan. Now, how he gets the Democrats are bipartisan when you do what they want. But you have to take your hat off to them. I mean, they don't fold. They stick to their game plan no matter what the cost. And if you don't play by their rules and have to be a Democrat, you are more than shunned. You pretty much lost your chances for re-election. So, much different approach to politics. So, good luck to John in getting something that both sides of the aisle can vote on. But his vote was expected to be a negative anyway. F1, higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it. When we get to 2600, roll to the 2625 calls. And definitely have a P right here. Like to see volume move higher in the distribution, but it hasn't yet. Might still. So we're going to be sell failure to take out and hold 2590. 94 to 96. We had an 89 to 91 sell. Took forever to get there today, right? On the buy side, 84, 86. 80, 82. So trying to buy 80s to 85s. And sell failure to take out 25.90. Have a little news tomorrow. Small Business Optimism Index previously 105. Jolts 6.082. Every now and then jolts can move the market, but rarely. So kind of into a no news situation tomorrow. So we'll approach it as trying to get long and stay long. Okay, we didn't think we would have a lot today in treasuries, and we didn't for the longest period of time. Just dead. And we are trying to trade higher. We do have a higher high and we do have a higher low, so F1 and F2. They find a place to buy it. Tomorrow's the 3-year auction, so my guess is we'll trade up into London and we'll see what we have tomorrow. So we have a high of 13.5, sell 12 to 16, 19 to 23 for sell 2. On the buy side, buy 5 to 9. And 29 to 01. Looking at the 30-year, finally kicked in. We have a neutral day. Extended the range up, extended the range down. Don't see a lot of those, so I'll be looking for a move out of 5406, 5408. Resistance 12 to 16. Sell 19s to 23s, 27 to 31s. And you can't move the paper by taking it straight up, so there has to be some back and forth. On the buy side, 28 to the buck, number one. Buying 21s to 25s. And buying 13s to 17s. Can't break the market and move the paper, so we'll pull our buys in a little tighter. Gold was strong. I imagine we're going to hear more on crude oil and gold as the week goes on in Saudi Arabia. The Yemen, the Houthis fired a missile and for Riyadh, and it was shot down by the Saudis. So higher low, higher high on gold. That supports a buy. Getting long to see if we can take out today's highs. We got resistance up here at 85, so a little bit higher in London, 84.86, sell 1, 89.91, sell 2. On the buy side, the last rotate down was 79, so 78 to 80 buy 1, 75, 77 buy 2. Several articles out on inflation today coming back, and one of the Fed governors said that inflation at 2% is not chiseled in stone. That could have been a factor in gold, but it came a little early. It came Dudley didn't speak until 12 today, so I don't think that's what caused the explosive move up in gold. Unless he released the minutes of his speech. That could have. I don't know if he did or didn't. Crude oil. Strong day. F1 will say find a place to buy it. F2 will say find a place to buy it. And here we are. I'm going to go back to nickels. All I have to do is change it to 2 or 3 cent increments to get a huge explosive day. And there we have it. So 57.50 to 75, sell 1. 58 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 56.75, 57 buy 1. 56 and a quarter, 56.50 buy 2. Big day. And the euro. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Okay, we got stops below Friday's lows and the market has come back, so getting short above 35. In fact, I think we had a 30 to 40 sell today, and we got up to 41.5, so we caught top of that. Maybe a little higher, 40 to 50, sell 1. 75, sell 2. Oops. Make it 65, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, 16 even, 116.10 by 1, and 15.75 by 2. That does it for this November the 6th, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening. I think we're going to make the low 40s here today, so definitely has that feel of winter. And too wet to do the leaves yesterday. I'll see if they're wet this evening. Might be too cold to do the leaves. Just kidding. Y'all have a great evening. We had fun today. We had a very limited trading opportunities. We had to work crude pretty hard, but we were able to do what we had to do in crude and make our business plan, which is what it's all about. See ya in the AM.